Hello. There's a lot of dry weather to come for the UK this week, but that doesn't mean it's all going to be blue skies and sunshine. Rather like today, some areas will get stuck with some pretty persistent cloud. Best of the sunshine on Monday was to be found to the south of the UK, southern counties of England and Wales, and to the northwest across the Highlands of Scotland and further south into Argyll and Bute. Barely a cloud to be seen here. This is the high that's giving us all of the settled weather, but what it's also doing is bringing the wind in for us off the North Sea. The winds are never particularly strong in a high pressure situation, but that northeasterly is a nagging feature and it will continue to bring showers too in from northeastern coasts and push them further inland as we head through the evening and overnight. Clearest skies overnight, probably quite like last night, likely for the northwest of Scotland across some southern counties of England, but anywhere where there's a break in the cloud really away from those windward coasts, we could catch a touch of frost for first thing on Tuesday. For Tuesday daytime, a very similar picture to Monday. Best of the sunshine, I think, again to come across the northwest of Scotland, but perhaps extending a bit further south. Maybe on Tuesday, a little bit more cloud across southern England, perhaps some more persistent showers getting into the far southeast, and some showers generally across central and eastern areas of England. Fairly well scattered, but nonetheless, there will be perhaps the chance of some wetter weather here. Temperature-wise, highs of 9 or 10 on the thermometer, but factor in that northeasterly wind, it's going to feel closer to 5 or 6 degrees, and that's on the cooler side for this point in the year. As we go through midweek into the latter part of the week, the high shifts away westwards. For Wednesday, perhaps the wind's a little lighter to the south of the UK. Still a northeasterly though, feeding in some showers to eastern Scotland and the northeast of England. Best chance of any breaks, I think, will be towards the west. Again, our temperatures pretty similar, 9, 10 on the thermometer, but cooler when you factor in the wind. Perhaps Thursday, as we start to see the isobars opening up a little bit, the wind to the south will fall lighter. It may briefly feel a little warmer, but by Friday, it looks like as our high drifts to the west, we'll start to pick up a northerly wind. And if anything, that wind chill will increase once again. But still a lot of fine weather for the majority of the UK in the days ahead.